Ever wondered how to turn leisure time into a money-making venture? Imagine earning cash just by watching videos. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, believe it or not, this dream can turn into reality. In the digital age, numerous platforms have emerged that offer monetary rewards for watching videos. This innovative concept has revolutionized the way we perceive time and money, merging entertainment with income generation. So, how does this fascinating process work? It's simpler than you might think. These platforms host a wide range of videos, from product reviews and promotional trailers to educational content and more. Every time you watch a video, you earn points. These points accumulate over time and can be redeemed for cash or other exciting rewards. But remember, while it might sound like easy money, it does require commitment. The key is consistency. Watching 1 or 2 videos won't make you a millionaire overnight. Regular engagement and persistence are crucial. Moreover, it's essential to choose the right platform. Not all are created equal. Some offer higher rewards, while others provide a wider variety of videos. Research thoroughly, read reviews, and pick the one that suits your preferences and lifestyle. Also remember, this should not replace your primary income source. Consider it as a side hustle, a way to earn a little extra for that fancy coffee you love or save up for a special occasion. Now that you know how to earn money by watching videos, why not give it a try? Unleash the power of the digital world, make your leisure time productive, and add a little more to your savings. Who knows? You might just find your next favorite hobby. And remember, every second you spend watching could be a step towards earning. So go ahead, watch, earn, and enjoy.